Get down there!
All right, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt.
Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Oh, finally!
Don't do anything!
Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on! In the back! Come on! Come on!
Hands behind your back.
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there.
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself up. Pay attention. In the back.
What's
Come
he
on.
doing? He's
Hurry.
gonna kill us in here. Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
All set! Phone it in!
I'm calling it.
All right, we gonna do this? Huh? Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
Oh, there it is. Remember, just the non-sequential bill. Oh, there's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
We're done here, let's go. Coming out, B!
Give it up! I got him! I saw your face. I'll remember you.
You forget 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes. He's crazy.
Fuck! You didn't have to do that!
Let's get going. There'll be time for grieving later.
Yeah, you got that right. Come on!
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens!
Fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch.
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is. Come on, go!
Don't be an idiot!
They answered the wrong call!
Move! Move! Move!
Get out of here!
Back the fuck down!
I ain't laying down for them.
Get down! Let's get out of here!
Car's up here. Let's go.
Move! Come on!
The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description!
Wrong profession!
Dumb fucking cops.
Let's go! Get to the car! We got a window! Let's go!
Every man for himself. Get your act. Did you see that shit? I fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go! Jeez, I think they're gonna... Fuck!
Local yokels spotted!
Guy's a dick!
Fuck you! Come on, let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there!
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet.
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!
You guys alright?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Hey! Stick to the plan!
What?
Stick to the fucking plan! Come on!
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Oh, it's a fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine! We gotta get the fuck out of here! Fuck! I'm hit! Oh, Jesus! T, you gotta get out of here!
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out! Let's go!
No! Motherfuckers! I'm standing here! Finish me! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! You fucking cocksuckers! Come on! Come on! Hey! You! You! Hey!
Guys! Don't shoot!
Where's the chopper?
I don't know! You're talking about!
Fucking stay back! You come near me! She's fucking dead! Stay back!
Help me! Help!
Go! Go!
Was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves. So perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin and we die in sin. And in this, Michael is like anybody else. Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friend.
Come on. Shit, come on.
Yeah,
Damn. This nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh? Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Yeah, whatever you say. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my bitch.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good. man, sorry about that. Hey, be careful.
Hang her right there.
Yeah, that's cool.
Come on, Frank.
Whatever you say.
Right, homie.
Uh-huh.
Go fuck your mom!
My car!
I guess I gotta
What the fuck?
You gotta watch out, fool. Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Richard It's been way too long.
How the fuck you get in front of me?
Your slow ass should be asking why didn't I get here sooner?
Oh, shit! Keep up, homie.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
We hang in the left.
Okay.
Woo! You want to get whips like this, you gotta stay on your grid 9.
Nigga, and do some time over nickels and dimes? I stick to repos, dawg.
This meant to be your shit.
Yeah.
Right.
Shit, cool, homie.
We going left into this parking lot.
What? I hear you.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Please, homie.
We buzzing the Union Depository, motherfucker.
That super bank? Motherfucker, you an idiot.
We have a 510 in progress. Suspect fleeing the Union Depository parking lot in sports cars.
Fuck.
Vehicles are reported stolen.
Whoa, dispatch! The suspect is crashed!
Roger. Officers have lost sight of the suspect. Code 4, all units return to patrol.
Hey, my car!
my dude. I'm gonna get my baby.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Hey, you are all the same. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean,
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie?
This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat peasocket?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
I'ma have a gentleman calling later, so make yourself scarce.